Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Thursday, November 15th. The E-mini S&P posted early gains on Wednesday to lower highs at 1381, up 10 points on the session before renewed selling pressure. After breaking last week's support lows at 1363, the broad market index made new relative lows at 1353 with a close at 1355 down 18 points for a 1.25% loss. The Dow futures lost 172 points, down 1.3% yesterday to close at 12,550. The 12,670 Friday lows now act as resistance above, with the lower support at 12,500 from the end of July. The least bad performance, down 1.1%, saw the E-mini Nasdaq down 30 points to close at 2531. New relative lows were made at 2553, which acts as upside resistance, with a low yesterday at 2526, the support. In the wake of the stock selling, crude oil actually gained 90 cents to 86.75. A positive move last week had prices base out over the last 3 weeks trading sessions at the $84 support. Resistance sits above at $88 from the recent highs last Tuesday. In other positive action, the euro rallied to the highest point since Friday at 127.40, up 30 points. The dollar did hold strong and closed unchanged at 81.15. Bonds closed unchanged yesterday, which was an interesting reaction to the stock sell-off, and it held here at the 152 level with the yield on the 30-year at 275. Gold gained $1 to 1726 with the resistance at 1740 above. Silver was up 18 cents at 32.67 to the highest point since October 19th with $33 resistance above. With new relative lows Wednesday that broke below Friday's lows, where do things stand this Thursday morning to start the trading day? Well, the dollar index sits unchanged. The euro continues to drift higher, up 20 ticks at 127.70. The 127 euro support level has held on a weekly basis, is the halfway mark of the 122 to 132 rally of the last few months. December bonds are lower, down 12 ticks at 151.5 after essentially no reaction Wednesday when stocks dropped. Crude oil is steady at 86.75 after the rally yesterday. The range overnight from the high to low of 40 cents is trying to decide where the market's going to go from here. Gold's lost $10 last night at 1720 with the 1700 support pivot below that held solid last Wednesday and 1740 the highs from last week above. Silver's down 37 cents at 32.52 an ounce with the $32 pivot below. So as we get started on this Thursday morning, the E-mini S&P is modestly higher, up 2 points at 1355. The Dow futures are 3 points lower right now, and the Nasdaq futures are up 2 points with more than an hour to go before the stock market open. So to wrap up all this current action, we've got on Thursday morning, right now we've got the euro currency up 20 points. We've got we've got oil unchanged right now at 86.75 with gold down $10 at 17.20. Stock futures are higher with the E-mini S&P at 1355 up 2. The Dow futures here at the CME Group are 3 points lower right now at the 12,550 level. Please visit our sponsors at morningmarketstir.com for more information on commodities, futures, and options. I'll see you early Friday morning for the Stir in the Markets to set up your trading day. And as always, from the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.